Alright, so we're going to mount a TV to the lid of my toolbox for diagnostic stuff. I'm going to have a computer going. So I got wireless keyboard and mouse. I'm going to throw it in one of the drawers, have my laptop running, and I'll be able to just hang out here, do my diagnostic stuff while I'm working on the cars. So I'm going to just jump into it. We got a 43-inch TV, fairly light. Got some scrap metal. Gonna cut it up. Got some rails that are sitting on the wall for a shelf. So I'm gonna use that. It's all free materials, so I'm just gonna jump into it.
You're gonna mount the
yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is just basically have these rails sit across here. I'm gonna make some extension pieces that hook into the back of this piece here. It's sort of laid out from the actual lid. And they're gonna hook in. I'll cut some slots, you'll see once I get going here. And then once I have the two bars, I'll have like a center section that'll drop down that I can mount this piece to, that the TV will actually hook onto, and yeah, should be decent. All right, so I wanted to make an attachment for the box for the TV. So we finally got it done today. I spent way too much time building it. Probably got like 8 or 10 hours into it, which is stupid, but whatever. Snap-on apparently doesn't make an attachment for this lid, which is dumb. At least that I know of. I asked my rep and he said that they don't make anything for the lid. So I know I could have just put a TV on top of it, right? But I like having it on the lid. Every toolbox I've had a monitor on the lid. So I thought for the Epiq toolbox, we're gonna put a TV on the lid. So now we've got just those railing pieces that I showed you at the beginning, and cut those to size. Made up some custom brackets on the ends that hook into the ends of, there's some cutouts on the corner of the stainless steel that's tack welded on. I did put some, it was like a sticker, I guess, over the stainless to keep it from getting marked up. At least now, like if I wanted to take this off, there isn't any holes drilled in the lid or anything like that. So we're gonna go ahead and hang a TV on it and hopefully it holds up good.
probably up higher.
No. Oh yeah. Yep.
That's how it's done.
Decent. Now, I was always curious to see how far out it would stick. It's actually not too bad. And it's got a pivot on it too, so could like pivot it down more. And we got wireless keyboard. I don't know if like this would be the ideal drawer to have put like a riser in here for the keyboard, so it sits like pretty decent for your wrists. And then maybe a spot for the mouse. Then I would have to move my air tools, but whatever. Got it just wired up now. Should be good to go. Got that TV now. Woo!
Can't close it with the TV on though. That's fine.
Can't reach it to close it anyways.